Hey y'all, it's Antonisha and welcome back to my channel. As you've already seen in the title, this will be a press-on nail tutorial, a step-by-step on how to make your press-ons last for 3 or more weeks. What you'll need is a UV or a LED light. You'll need the press-ons of your choice. I prefer the BT Artbox press-ons. This brand is a 10 out of 10 for me. And also you'll need a nail dehydrator, a primer, and some nail glue. And I'm going to be showing you all of that in this video, and also I'll link all of the products that I use in this video in the description box. Now what I like about these BT Artbox press-on nails is that unlike other press-on nails, these nails are not flimsy. So you still get the acrylic feel, but with press-on nails. Now they do have all different kinds of styles, but I chose this one. This box comes with 150 press-on nails, and they retail for $11.97 on Amazon. Like I said, I'll link everything in the description. Now, you'll also need a nail dehydrator, you'll need a primer, and you'll need nail glue. I was lucky enough to find this 3-in-1 system on Amazon. Now this brand is called Saviland. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but that's how I'm gonna pronounce it. Now it comes with all three. It comes with the dehydrator, the primer, and the gel glue as well. So you get all three for the price of $8.99 on Amazon. Not bad, because getting everything separate will be a little costly, so prefer it this way. And just like every great set of nails, you're gonna wanna start with the prep work. Now, the nail dehydrator kit, it came with the cuticle, I'll just say cuticle pusher. It came with the tool to push your cuticles back. So you're going to want to start with pushing your cuticles back, and then you're going to want to file your nails just to give it that rough start so the nail can actually stick on. And once you're done filing your nails, you're going to want to use an alcohol pad or just alcohol and just clean off all the dust that is on your nails from filing. And a little side note here, completely off topic, but does anybody else watch their own YouTube videos? Like, I get a satisfaction of just watching my own videos. I'm like my favorite YouTuber. Go check Antonisha out. If y'all ain't watched her video yet, go check her out. I'm so lame for that, but no, for real, like, I love watching my own videos. But as you can see in the background, I'm watching a polygel set that I did a while ago, and that video was a struggle video. So if you got time, go ahead and watch that video when you're done with this. Alrighty, so once you're done with all of the prep work, you're gonna wanna find the nail sizes that best suit you. So luckily enough, the BT Artbox brand comes with 15 different sizes to find the perfect fit for your nail bed. This video humbled me greatly because I didn't know that my nail beds were that big, Like, I know I had big hands, but putting on the size 0 and it fitting completely perfect was humbling. So yeah. Now I like to take all of the sizes that I need. I like to take them off and lay them out in front of me. It just makes it easier, so I won't have to keep going back to the row and taking them off every time I need the size that I need. It just speeds up the process. So starting with step 1, you're gonna go in with the nail dehydrator, and you're gonna wanna just put that on every single nail. And then you're gonna want to wait for 30 seconds. You don't have to cure this, but just wait 30 seconds for it to air dry. And what the nail dehydrator does is it helps your nails to get rid of all of the oil, and just to make sure that the nails are clean and dry. Now on to step 2. Now this is a nail primer, and this pack is called a non-acid pH bond. And what this does, it helps to make the nail fit the nail surface better. So this helps with the process of the nails staying or lasting longer. And just like the first step, after you apply this, you don't have to cure this in the UV light. What you're going to do is wait 30 seconds and let that air dry before you move on to the next step. Now I'm going to brag on this nail glue just a little bit. And this video is in no way sponsored by the brand at all. I just really like it. Now this nail glue acts as a glue, a top coat, and you can use it for adding designs on your nails. So the glue to add the design. Now this nail glue does it all. So it's very good. It cures very fast, and it's a 10 out of 10 for me. So as you've seen, what you're going to do is apply the glue to the nail and also your nail. You're going to apply the nail and you're going to cure that for 60 seconds. So you're going to repeat that process until all of the nails are on. So I won't talk your head off. I'm going to go ahead and let you vibe out and just watch the process.
Top chat right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Now what you'll see me doing here is just taking the file and filing away the top of the nail, just the part that makes the nail look like a press-on, where you detach the nail from the roll. It always leaves a little, I want to say, bump or hump at the top of the nail that just gives the press-on look. So if you go ahead and file that away, that's the only thing that you'll have to file. Now, if you like the matte look, you can go ahead and stop here, but I prefer the gel look, the shiny look. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add a top coat of the clear gel to my nails, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds.
I start to stutter when I speak. Understanding what my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, and I see you, and I see you, baby, when in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not.
And that is it. That is the final look here. I love them. They came out great. Doing this process will guarantee that your nails last 3 or more weeks. Do not forget this process. Do it step by step, and I guarantee you will feel like you just got your nails done at the salon. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Again, I'll drop everything in the description box so you can go ahead and get that from Amazon. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you know when I post. Bye. Bye.